Hey everybody, how you doing? Happy Friday. This message is just a little check-in from your teacher for Business 190. I wanted to discuss a couple things briefly that are popping up. I wanted to make sure that it's not happening to you. And I wanted to clarify what I mean in that virtual environment I showed you in the last video. I had a student or two tell me, hey, I'm saving my work and it's not saving. So I'm speaking to tech support to find out what's happening. Remember, if you're going to save work, and I'm going to switch over here, if you're going to save work on the virtual desktop, okay, I'm sorry, on the virtual machine, you should see an iDrive, okay? You should see something that looks, well, like this. See that little iDrive? It'll say either your name or your student ID. If you don't, let me know. That being said, I wanted to talk to you. I mean, the reason I showed you how to use everything within the virtual environment and use Google Chrome and all that good stuff, there's a reason for it, and it was to avoid confusion. But it seems like it's causing more confusion. So I wanted to offer you a further clarification, and I wanted to show you something. When you initially log in to View Connect, this is the first thing you guys see, right? And I said, click on this one. This is the Virtual Horizon HTML web access. That's fine. However, it is your computer, and if you want to download the actual program client, I talked to tech support, and they say it works really, really well. And that way, you can plug in like a USB drive. And if you want, plug in a USB drive and save your work there to avoid that kind of a problem. If you use this one, and while you're in here, let me come back here. It won't recognize. If I plug in a USB drive, it should pop up right here, right? Or somewhere here. Device, right here. Removable storage. It won't show up because it's a virtual machine. But if you want to download this client, go ahead. And it's nice. You'll get a little desktop icon, and it should work a little better, especially when saving. But I don't typically do it that way. You're supposed to have an iDrive. If you don't, let me know. And finally, I just wanted to remind you, we've got 3 assignments so far, lessons 1, 2, and 3 in AES under Career Exploration. Get those done. And I'm going to give you till Sunday midnight. I gave you guys actually a couple extra days during the week because we had some issues logging in for some people and adding the class. But I'm going to go light on you. That's all the assignments I'm going to give you this week. Make sure you get that Holland. You take that survey so you can find your code. It does a pretty good job of finding out what your aptitude or what your career interests might be, rather your personality might be. So it's just an exploration, and I hope you enjoy it and get it in by Sunday midnight so you can enjoy your Labor Day. Have a great weekend, everybody.